What is everyone, this is Motorola and today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS Studio NVENC or AMD Encounters error that you may be getting, or basically failed to start recording. So let's get right into this. So this is mostly happening because of your settings and what you need to do, or your output settings I should say explicitly. So you want to open up OBS Studio, go into settings, or click into the settings box here. In here, once you're at this section, click into the output section, and you only need to do one specific change, which is basically change it from the output mode in simple into advanced. Once you do this, you can just press apply and then OK, and then try to essentially start recording again, and you should be good to go, because the video encoder essentially then ends up taking the correct one, and you can play around a little bit with the video encoder as well to get the right one, basically mostly for the recording purposes again. But yeah, that's it. That's basically it. Once you do this, you should be good to go. You just again choose the specific one that you want to, or you just let it use its own first trying it with that. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. But again, main thing is going from simple to advanced. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please don't stop, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.